probability. Here, if we go here, so probability. Okay, so it's the chance of something happening. Okay, so you got your win possibilities. So this is your gambling. So maximum possibilities. Okay, so if we've got you flip a coin, heads you win, tails you lose. There's two chances, there's tails and there's heads. So the tree diagram will help you do this. So if you're starting and you're like, okay, well, what's the choices? You go here, you get heads. You go here, you get tails. But this is where, if you have multiple things, where, okay, and then if we flip the coin again, and you got heads, and then you got tails. And here, you go again, you got heads, and then you got tails. So this shows you the probability of getting, you got tails, tails, so you can go like that. It doesn't really matter to me if you write it properly or use the symbols or whatever, it doesn't matter. Alright, so we go down that path. We got T was possible combination, TH, and then you got HT, and then you got HH. So these are all the possible outcomes of flipping a coin twice. So then, what are your chances of winning if you get tails, tails? So you win $1,000 if you win that. Then you have that possibility out of 4 different chances here, right? Okay. So 1 out of 4. Okay. Which is the same if you go a half times a half. So if you make a compound probability. So this is where, like, gambling, this is an important life skill here to realize that gambling sucks. So 1 times 1 gives you 1. 2 times 2 gives you 4. So multiplying the fraction. So you got a quarter of a chance. But the diagram does all of the math for you too. So you don't have to think of it just, because sometimes the fraction is going to be more complicated. And it's a visual way of seeing what this is talking about. So we go, because there's one thing that, like, there's always, like, you always have 50% chance you encounter tails. So it's always 50%. But as you have more of these things happening,